Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you felt the ground shifting beneath your feet in the marketing world lately, trust me, you are absolutely not imagining things. Today, we're cutting straight through the noise to hand you an executive summary of the 8 massive digital marketing shifts you absolutely need to master for 2026. We're going to break down the essentials of what top performers are actually doing right now to stay ahead, turning all these complex shifts into really clear, actionable strategies. Let's get right into it. Okay, we have to start with a seriously jarring reality check. Trend number 1, 26% of searches now end without a single click. That is wild. The old ways of discovery, they're dying out. Buyers just aren't going to a traditional search engine, typing in a query, and clicking a link to visit a website anymore. Answers are being served up instantly, or those searches are happening in entirely new places. Basically, if your strategy is still stuck in 2024, you're already falling behind. So to get you prepped for 2026, we've synthesized these 8 huge trends into 5 core strategic areas. We're going to cover redefining search and social, navigating the AI revolution, the next era of ads, browsers as the final destination, and the massive rise of authentic, borderless content. This is all about transitioning you from reactive guessing to proactive leadership. Let's hit that first section, redefining search and social. The sheer volume of alternative search right now is just staggering, and this brings us to our second major trend. Discovery has completely moved beyond Google. Instagram alone is seeing over 6.5 billion searches every single day, while YouTube sits at over 3 billion. People are using these platforms like stepping stones to find what they want. We are officially in the era of search everywhere optimization. You've got to package your content so it ranks across all these different discovery surfaces, literally weaving your keywords into your video scripts, your on-screen text, and your captions. Why? Because the algorithms are reading every single layer of your content to match conversational search intent. Now, because of this massive shift, trying to force users off a platform with those traditional link in bio tactics causes huge friction. Platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook actively penalize this because, well, they want users to stay inside their own ecosystems. The minute you try to pull someone away, your reach gets throttled and your ad costs just spike. So the winning strategy for 2026, and our third key trend, is capturing leads exactly where they already are. You need to leverage tools like ManyChat to trigger automated DMs. When a user comments a specific keyword, boom, they get an automated message. You capture their info seamlessly without them ever leaving the app. It gives you incredible algorithmic rewards and way higher quality leads based on actual behavioral intent. Moving right along to section 2, navigating the AI revolution. Okay, we really have to talk about AI slop. AI promised us all this incredible speed, right? But for a lot of marketing teams, it's just creating an endless cycle of confusion and rework. Studies are actually showing that hallucination rates between free and paid AI tools are almost identical. When teams blindly trust AI for the final execution instead of just using it for ideation, it actively damages campaigns. It injects fake stats, misquoted sources, and just creates this false confidence. Top performers, they use AI to generate first drafts, never the final draft, and they always cross-reference the data. The reality is, AI isn't broadly replacing human judgment, it's a multiplier. This fourth trend is perfectly summed up by the CEO of Perplexity, who pointed out that AI is actually driving empowerment. Honestly, in a lot of cases, companies are just throwing around AI efficiency as a really convenient excuse for layoffs to keep shareholders happy, rather than admitting they overhired in the first place. True top performers are using AI to empower themselves, to multiply their reach and their accuracy. Don't use AI to replace your work, use it to supercharge it. So, how do you actually leverage these AI platforms as discovery channels? Well, our fifth trend shows they are basically full-blown discovery engines now. You literally have to train them to see you as an authority. First up, publish micro-niche listicles. Skip the generic top 10 marketing agencies and go for something highly specific like top 10 SaaS agencies. Second, lean into digital PR so other trusted authorities cite your work. AI engines will eventually just block companies that only blog about how great they are. And third, use incredibly clear formatting, schema markup, and fresh update dates. That way the AI can effortlessly extract and favor your most current info. All right, section 3, the next era of ads. Traditionally, Google targets what you type right in that exact moment. That's pure intent. Facebook targets who you are based on your demographics and behavior. That's pure identity. But our sixth trend emerges when ChatGPT launches its own ads, because it's going to smash those two things together. AI ads will target your deep identity alongside your ongoing search history over time. Think about it. If you search for a marketing agency, but your last 10 searches were about losing weight, the AI knows weight loss is truly top of mind, and it might just show you that ad instead. It's identity-based targeting with search-level accuracy. It's a total game changer. To win in this new era, here is exactly what you need to do today. You absolutely must integrate your first-party CRM data into these ad platforms. You have to literally train the AI systems to understand exactly who it is you help. You can't just say we're an agency anymore. You have to use your data and your content to say, we help SaaS companies scale from $1 million to $10 million. That hyper-specificity, combined with your actual customer purchase history, teaches the AI exactly who to associate your brand with when it's making those default recommendations.
Which brings us to Section 4, Browsers as the Destination.
AI is moving straight from the website layer into the browser layer. This is trend number 7, and it is absolutely massive. Tools like Chrome Gemini are turning browsers into enclosed AI platforms. A user can open a tab, ask to compare tools, and the browser itself will just summarize the info and show AI-driven ads before the user ever clicks a single link. Your new reality is that you have to treat your website as a clean, structured data source optimized with schema markup, just so browsers can easily extract your info. And you need to start running Google's AI Max campaigns right now so you can learn how these systems optimize within that enclosed browser interface. Finally, Section 5, Authentic and Borderless Content. In a world completely drowning in AI generation, real people going live is your ultimate competitive advantage. Nearly 30% of YouTube users watch at least one live stream every single week, and yet hardly any brands are doing it. Authenticity is the absolute antidote to AI slop. And here's the best part. Platforms like YouTube will automatically take one single desktop live stream and cascade it into dozens of vertical shorts and horizontal clips for you. You create the real, raw value once a week, and the platform handles all the formatting and repurposing. It's brilliant. Now, through the power of auto-dubbing tools like YouTube's built-in features or tools like HeyGen, creators are fundamentally changing their reach. This is our 8th and final trend, borderless content. We are literally seeing creators get up to half of their total viewership from languages they don't even speak. You just enable multi-language audio, localize your website's calls to action, and suddenly your very next video can instantly reach Spanish, Hindi, or Korean speakers. This completely transforms a local creator into a truly global brand overlay. This completely changes the game. And it leaves us with one final, incredibly important thought to ponder. With AI optimization completely redefining how search works and global auto-dubbing erasing traditional language borders, what is actually holding back your brand's growth? You've got the executive summary of the 8 key 2026 trends. The tools are literally right there waiting for you. The old barriers are gone. It's time to stop reacting and start leading. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time as we continue to decode the future.